Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are safe and fine. Before starting my story by the stream, I want to introduce you with some sort of characters which play a vital role in the story. The first one is Dad. The second one is Mom. The next one Floppy. The next Biff. There is another character Chip. And the last one is Kipper. Now today we will learn our reader. Reader means a book that we read. Okay, this is our reader and we call it storybook 2. The topic of our reader is by the stream. By the stream. Say with me, by the stream. Yes, this is the topic of our reader. Look, there are many characters in the cover page of our reader. Okay, do you know who is she? She is Wilma, having curly hair. The next one is Chip, having smiley face, and his shirt color is white and red. The next character is Biff, looking in a surprising way. Her shirt color is pink and her hair is brown. The next one is Wilf. Wilf is looking very happy. Wilf is looking very happy. His shirt color is yellow. Behind these children, you also look another character in a standing position. His name is Kipper. And Kipper is very sad. Do you know why Kipper is sad? We know the Kipper saddest reason in the story. Now let's start. Come to the first page of the reader. In this page, we saw a lot of character. We saw Mom and Dad in sitting position and enjoying some sort of juice. We saw a lot of items in rug like banana, apple, bread, etc. Behind the dad, there is one character eating some type of yummy food. The character name is Floppy. The character name is Floppy. The color of Floppy is yellow. I also mentioned the color of Mom and Dad dress. Mom dress color is red and orange and her hair color is yellow. Also, Dad dress color is white and brown and his hair color is brown. In this page, you saw 5 children also and they are going towards the bridge. Okay, now read the line of the first page. That is, Mom and Dad sat on the rug. Mom and Dad sat on the rug. In Urdu, Mom और Dad rug पर बैठे हुए हैं. Okay, now come towards the next page. That is second page. Read the second line of the second page and that is, the children played by the stream. The children played by the stream. In Urdu, बच्चे नदी में खेल रहे हैं. बच्चे नदी में खेल रहे हैं. See Kipper. Kipper is very happy and he holds Teddy in his hand. All the children are playing in the running water of the stream. Now come towards the third page of the reader. Now read the line of the third page. That is, Biff went on the bridge. Biff went on the bridge. In Urdu, Biff पुल पर जा रही है. Biff पुल पर जा रही है. Now come towards the fourth page of the storybook. The line of the fourth page of the storybook is, they dropped sticks in the water. They dropped sticks in the water. In Urdu, वो पानी में लकड़ियां फेंक रहे हैं. Do you know there are 4 children? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 children. And we also saw there is another child who is missing. Do you know who is he? He is Kipper. He is Kipper. Now come towards the next page of the reader. Read the line of this page. That is, Kipper couldn't see. Kipper couldn't see. Kipper को नजर नहीं आ रहा. Kipper को नजर नहीं आ रहा. In the next page, the line is, Kipper climbed up. Kipper climbed up. In Urdu, Kipper ऊपर चढ़ गया है. Kipper ऊपर चढ़ गया है. Now let's see what happened in the next page. Now read the line. That is, he dropped Teddy in the water. He dropped Teddy in the water. In Urdu, उसने पानी में अपना टेडी गिरा दिया. उसने पानी में अपना टेडी गिरा दिया. Oh, now what happened? Come to the next page. Do you know the reason? Read the line, and the line is, get Teddy, said Kipper. Get Teddy, said Kipper. मुझे टेडी चाहिए, किपर ने कहा. किपर ने कहा, मुझे टेडी चाहिए. In the next page, the line is, Biff couldn't get Teddy. Biff couldn't get Teddy. Biff ने टेडी नहीं उठाया गया. Biff से टेडी नहीं उठाया गया. In the next page, what's the Kipper expression? Read the line. That is, get Teddy, said Kipper. Get Teddy, said Kipper. किपर ने कहा, मुझे टेडी चाहिए. मुझे टेडी चाहिए, किपर ने कहा. So, in the 11th page of the reader, Mom tried to get Teddy, but she failed. As you see in the line, that is, Mom couldn't get Teddy. Mom couldn't get Teddy. Mom Teddy को नहीं उठा पाई. Mom Teddy को नहीं उठा पाई. When Mom failed to get Teddy, what's the expression of Kipper? So, read the line of the 12th page of the reader. That is, I want Teddy, said Kipper. I want Teddy, said Kipper. मुझे टेडी चाहिए, किपर ने कहा. किपर ने क्या कहा? किपर ने कहा, मुझे टेडी चाहिए. So, what's happened now? In the 13th page of the reader, the dad tried to get Teddy. As you see in the line, that is, Dad couldn't get Teddy. Dad couldn't get Teddy. In Urdu, Dad Teddy को नहीं उठा सके. Oh, now what's happened? How Kipper get Teddy? In the next page of the reader, the dad fell in. As you see in the line, Dad fell in. Dad fell in. In Urdu, Dad गिर गए हैं. Dad गिर गए हैं. What's the sound of water when Dad fell in? and the sound is splash. The sound is splash. As you see in the 15th page of the reader, the sound is splash. Sound is splash. Ha ha ha. When Dad get ready, a small frog appeared in his head. As you see in the next page, the line you see a small frog appear in Dad's head. Ha ha ha. And the dad said, I am a frogman. I am a frogman, said Dad. I hope the story by the stream is very much clear to you. So, see you in the next lesson. If you like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos notification first. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a million. Allah Hafiz.